Mastering the Art of Baking Shots. A Journey Through Language and Pastry. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and somewhat niche phrase, art of baking shots. While this might sound like it's about cooking, it's actually a rich expression filled with creativity and skill. Let's explore what this phrase means, its origins, and how you can use it in your everyday English conversations. The phrase, art of baking shots, isn't about baking in a kitchen. Instead, it's a metaphorical expression used to describe the process of creating something with great skill and creativity. Baking, here symbolizes the methodical and careful preparation of something, while shots can represent ideas, solutions, or artistic works. Together, they convey the idea of crafting something meticulously with expertise and innovation. Metaphors are a powerful tool in the English language, allowing us to convey complex ideas through familiar concepts. The culinary metaphor is particularly popular because it evokes the sensory experiences of cooking and eating. When we talk about the art of baking shots, we're tapping into this rich tradition of using food preparation as a metaphor for creative processes. This phrase might be used in various contexts, from photography and filmmaking to brainstorming sessions in business. Imagine a filmmaker discussing their process for creating a movie scene. They might say, "Crafting this scene was truly the art of baking shots. We mixed different angles and lighting like ingredients until the perfect shot was baked." Here, the phrase encapsulates the creativity, patience, and precision involved in the filmmaking process. Understanding phrases like art of baking shots enriches your English vocabulary and helps you appreciate the beauty of the language. It's a reminder of how English can be playful, creative, and deeply expressive. We hope this exploration has added a new layer to your language learning and perhaps inspired you to create something wonderful with the ingredients at your disposal. Thank you for joining us, and keep experimenting with English in all its delicious complexity.